tutorial we are discussing about the protected access modifier. So first of all, what is protected access modifier? The protected access modifier are those type of modifier which is accessible within packages and outside the packages also, but through the inheritance only. It means that if a child class is located on another packages, then only we can access it with the help of protected modifier. The protected access modifier can be applied on the data member, method and constructor. It can't be applied on the class. It provides more accessibility than the default modifier. As we all know that default modifier only works within the packages, and the same concept is also done by protected, but it has some additional feature that if a class has parent child relationship, means that if a class follows inheritance, then we can implement those classes whenever or wherever it is, whether it is outside the packages or another packages, we can access it with the help of protected modifier. Let's discuss about the example of protected access modifier. In this example, we have created the two packages, pack and mypack. The class A of package is public, so can be accessed from outside the package, but message method of this package is declared as protected, so it can be accessed from outside the class only through inheritance. Means that if we want to make another class by using the inheritance property, we can access it. So let's see the code how we can implement the protected access modifier in our program. Example of protected access modifier. First of all, we create a package pack, and then inside the class, that is public class A class, we create a method that is void message with the protected access modifier, and inside it we just write system.out.println hello, and again create a class that is B class 1, which is inside the another package, that is mypack. This class is in package, but this class is in another package, that is mypack. And then import the class pack, and then we just, with the help of this class object, we call the message object. So how we can implement it? Let's discuss it. We already know that if we are extending the class, here B class 1 extends the A class, so A class is the parent class of B class 1. So if we are extending a class, then we are able to use that class methods if it is in protected mode. So yes, we already make it in protected, so here we can access it with the help with another package also. So let's check it. We are already in our location, so just write zvac -d space dot space b class 1 dot java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java mypack dot b class 1. See, it executes successfully and give us the result hello. So with the help of protected, we can access the method which is inside the another package, but extend the, or we can, or use the property of inheritance. So thank you.